appears to be near and west of Interstate 95 corridor. The potential exists for small pockets of moderate to major flooding, but that will require above 3 inches of rain in 6 hours, or storm totals of 4.5 inches.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Norristown until Friday afternoon, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:30 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 12.3 feet. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late this afternoon, and continue to rise to near 16.7 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Friday morning. Impact at 17.0 feet. A couple industries along the river begin to have flood problems. Water begins to cover rails in Conshohocken. Septic tracks at Mochi's in Plymouth Township begin to flood. Ross Street in Plymouth Township at the Sewer Authority plant floods under the railroad bridge and bike trail. Flooding also occurs along Diamond Run at Station Road in Plymouth Township off of Conshohocken Road due to high and backwater effects. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Schuylkill River at Philadelphia from this evening till late Thursday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:31 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 8.5 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by tonight, and continue to rise to near 12.1 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow evening. Impact at 12.0 feet. Main Street in Manhattan floods in the area of Shears Lane. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and Cecil, Maryland. Through the middle of the afternoon, showers and thunderstorms with heavy downpours